Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to exclude the code block in WordPress for 2025. The steps are simple, and by the end, you'll be able to streamline your editor with ease. First, open your browser and go to your WordPress site. Once the home page loads, click the login button at the top right corner. On the sign in page, choose continue with Google, then select the Google account that's linked to your WordPress site. This makes logging in fast and secure. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the quick links section and click on edit site. This opens the WordPress site editor. Now, in the editor, go to the top right corner and click on the three-dot menu. From there, select Preferences. Inside Preferences, open the block section. This is where you can control which block types are available in your editor. Scroll through the list until you find the option labeled Code. Simply toggle it off, and the code block will be excluded from your editor. That's it. The code block is now hidden, keeping your workspace cleaner and more focused on the blocks you actually use. And there you go. You've successfully excluded the code block in WordPress. This little adjustment helps simplify your editing experience and makes managing your site even easier. Thanks for following along.